Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Messenger not showing marketplace messages problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Before we move on to our first solution, we check if Messenger and Facebook are up to date. Update it if you need to. Our first solution is to clear cache files of Facebook and Messenger. To do this on Android devices, we go to Settings. Then we click on Apps and then we click on Manage Apps. We type Messenger in the search bar. We click Storage. Click on Clear Data. Click on Clear Cache. We're doing the same thing for Facebook. To do this on iOS devices, we click on General after entering Settings. Click on iPhone Storage. What you need to do now is to find Messenger and Facebook among your applications and clear their cache files. If you don't see the Clear Cache option, it means you can't clear the cache files. After following these steps, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to delete and reinstall Messenger and Facebook. If you couldn't delete the cache files in the first solution, you will be able to delete those files in this way. We deleted our apps, now we will download them again from Play Store or App Store. I will not show it for iOS devices to avoid making the video longer. Enter the App Store and download Facebook and Messenger again. After downloading, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to view our messages from Facebook, not Messenger. For those who do not know, we can access our marketplace messages from within the Facebook application. We open Facebook to see our marketplace messages. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. We click on Marketplace. Click on the profile icon. And finally, we click on Inbox. Since I haven't contacted anyone via Marketplace before, nothing shows up in my inbox. Your current or previous communications will appear here. Before I finish the video, there is an alternative solution that I would like to mention. This alternative solution is only for Android devices. Downloading the old version of Facebook and Messenger may solve your problem. Sometimes updates to applications can cause applications to work incorrectly. We will try to solve this problem by downloading the old version. Before downloading the old version, we delete the current Facebook and Messenger on our device. Now we can download the old version of Facebook and Messenger. I put the download links in the description section. You can go directly to the download site from there. After entering the site, click on Download. If you have never downloaded APK files before, you may have problems here. For those who have problems, I put the solution video in the card section. We downloaded Facebook and Messenger. Now we will install it. The installation process is finished. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.